The United States possesses some of the most destructive military weapons ever created. Systems capable of striking targets across continents, disappearing from radar, and launching attacks at terrifying speeds. These are 5 of America's most dangerous weapons currently shaping modern warfare. Number 5. The Tomahawk cruise missile, a long-range precision weapon launched from ships and submarines. Designed to fly at low altitude while avoiding radar detection, Tomahawk missiles can strike targets more than 1,000 miles away with extreme precision, making them one of the most important weapons in modern American warfare. Number 4. The MQ9 Reaper drone, one of the world's most feared military drones, capable of surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision missile strikes. The Reaper can remain in the air for more than 27 hours, hunting targets across massive distances without risking a pilot. Modern warfare is increasingly shifting toward autonomous battlefield systems, and the MQ9 helped lead that transformation. Number 3. The Ohio-class nuclear submarine, one of the quietest and most powerful submarines ever built. Some carry Trident nuclear missiles capable of devastating strikes from thousands of miles away. These submarines operate deep underwater and are extremely difficult to detect, meaning they provide America with one of its most important nuclear deterrents. Number 2. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, a strategic bomber designed to penetrate advanced enemy air defenses. Its stealth design allows it to evade radar systems that would detect ordinary aircraft. The B-2 can deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, and many experts still consider it one of the most dangerous aircraft ever created. But number 1 is something entirely different. The F-35 Lightning II, one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world today, combining stealth technology, sensor fusion, artificial intelligence-assisted systems, and electronic warfare capabilities. The aircraft was designed not just to fight battles, but to control the battlefield itself. Some military analysts believe the F-35 can detect threats long before enemies even know it exists, and future upgrades may allow it to coordinate directly with drones and autonomous combat systems. Modern warfare is evolving faster than ever before, and these weapons are shaping the future of global military power, because the next war may not be won by the largest army, but by the nation with the most advanced technology